You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk drum brake kit used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Open the brake fluid reservoir. Loosen the rear wheel studs. Lift the rear of your vehicle. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. To change the rear drum brakes on your vehicle, you will have to remove the wheels to gain full access. Don't forget to select the wheels under the vehicle. Before changing the drum brakes, we recommend watching the video How to Replace the Rear Brake Discs and Pads on a Hyundai i30. We show you how to remove the caliper, pads and discs if you decide to change them too, as shown in the video. Now you need to release the handbrake in order to release the grip of the drum brake shoes from the disc. Finally, remove the disc. You can now see the drum brakes on your car. Now you have to remove the mounting system of the shoes. Using pliers while holding the rod from behind, unclip the hold-down parts that hold the shoes. Pressing on the springs and turning a quarter turn to release them. Using the flathead screwdriver, remove the upper spring that connects the two shoes. Now you have to pull the shoes out of their housings. You now need to clean the inner side with a wire brush and brake cleaner in order to remove the brake dust left over from natural wear of the brake shoes. Remember to protect the floor by placing a fluid collection tray. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, How to Make a Collector for Liquids. Once cleaned and dried, lubricate the brake shoe bearing surfaces.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk drum brake kit used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Get the new shoes ready. Install the lower spring as well as the shoe spacing adjustment retrieved from the old assembly. Place the assembly on the plate using the actuator to hold the assembly in position. Using Needlenose pliers, put the upper spring in place. Once the shoes are in the right position, reassemble the holding system with the spring rods and quarter-turn cup washers. Clean the hub with a wire brush. The handbrake adjustment system is manual, rotated to adjust the shoe spacing and their position in relation to the disc. Before installing the new disc, it is vital to clean it using brake cleaner and paper towels to take off the storage paraffin. Place the new disc in place. Screw the disc retaining screws back on. Now you need to readjust the shoe setting. Tighten the adjustment mechanism until there's slight friction between the shoes and the disc, which means that the shoe spacing is perfect for the proper functioning of your handbrake. Put the cover back on. You can now put the rear braking system back in place. To do this, we recommend watching our video how to replace the rear brake discs and pads on a Hyundai i30. Before starting your car, don't forget to screw the brake fluid stopper back in. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels securely. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.